Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expeditions. This video is about a token that is currently being mined on Eclipse and is being talked about. It's mined proof of work style, 5 million max supply, no insider tokens or team tokens. All the tokens in existence have been mined. Some days ago, the valuation of it was around $94 or so, even higher. At the moment, it's $44. In this video, I want to discuss setting up a miner to participate in mining. In the next video, after I've set up my miner, I'll be telling you my stats, if it's worth it to participate in mining this. Considering it's being mined, it may be of relevance to join in. Max supply 5 million tokens. There is a flip side dashboard here where you can track how many of the tokens have been mined so far. Just 1008 tokens, 21,000 miners. There's basically interest. Now for starting early may be of relevance with this. Over the course of time, as more tokens get into circulation, the valuation of the especially assuming it doesn't have utility going forward, the valuation of the token may continue to plummet, at which stage it may be more feasible to buy than than run a miner. Anyway, I'm just doing this as an experiment. I want to see the data, how much I will mine and all that, and if it's worth it compared to the expenditure. And I'll be showing you an easy way of doing so. One-click method, no code, out of EasyNode. You can use my invite to get started. So this is the miner here. I will be setting this up offline because it needs a new wallet. You may need to import your private key and stuff like that. So you will need to use a new wallet for this. Although EasyNode is a reputable project, but that's the formality of how to approach Web3. Use a new wallet, and you will need to import your private key in the process of setting up this. Okay, so there are three options here. You have the 1 month duration. I'll be going for the 1 month duration, by the way. Considering I'm just gathering data, that is going to cost $12.90 per month. You can set this up yourself, by renting a VPS, on your own, where you manage your private key and stuff like that. It's almost the same cost in reality. You can also set this on your personal PC. It doesn't require much requirement in terms of CPU, but I'll be doing this here, one-click method. I have the resource for setting up this on your PC, but it's a bit technical. Okay, so I'm not decided yet on which I will choose. I may end up going for this for a month. Considering it's 8 CPUs, it's likely to mine faster because you'll be competing with other nodes. Now here it says faucet provided by EasyNode. Now I don't know what that means exactly. So this may be cheaper option overall. Now I don't know what this faucet provided by EasyNode means. Because you see here, it says it's recommended to top up your Eclipse wallet with some ETH to mine BITZ. Recommended is about $3 per day. I don't think it will cost that much, but that's the recommended. Now, when it says here, faucet provided by EasyNode, I don't know if it's referencing this $3 expenditure. Okay, I'm not very sure. Now, if I go for a month, I'm going to top up my wallet, gradually, perhaps for 2 days first, to see if, the resulting mined bits, covers the expense and perhaps there's some profit, stuff like that. Altogether, I'm not doing this entirely for profit. My first experience with EasyNode. So if I was to purchase this, you will need to fund your account or pay with crypto or a card. I don't know I've not interacted with EasyNode before. It's my first time. So next video, I'll have more information about that. But there is an entire tutorial here on the process, which I'll put in the description. It's not a very hard process. So after you have got your plan, we've shown that earlier. Then if you would like to use your current Eclipse wallet, tick the box for import your own keys and paste your private key from backpack. Purchase your node with crypto or card. Okay, so maybe it's not required to even create to import your own wallet. Let's see. Let's go continue with the tutorial. Perhaps it will institute a new wallet for you and provide you with the private key. Let's see. Please note that you need to top up your Eclipse wallet with ETH to mine. Without ETH, you will not be able to mine BITZ. We recommend about $3 a day. Okay. So here it says import your wallet. You can follow the deployment of your node in your node folio. Okay, so it looks like a wallet will be instituted for you, assuming you don't want to import your existing wallet, as shown on this image here. So it looks like you'll be able to get a private key which you can copy and an address. This action deletes this information from the EasyNode database. Please keep them safe. There is no going back. So assuming you don't import your existing wallet, you will have a private key and an address. You have to back it up because you won't be able to retrieve it. It's going to be deleted from the Eclipse database upon having saved it. Once your node is active, click your BITZ node, click on node secrets, copy your node private key, import to backpack. So you can manage your wallet directly from backpack, fund it directly from backpack. Okay, so there's no need for you to import private key. You can, you can just follow these steps, and an address and private key will be generated for you, which you can import into backpack and manage from there. Okay, so we know this, topping up ETH. You know how to do that. You can also use this bridge, to bridge funds from other EVM chains to Eclipse. You should know how to do that. Choose Eclipse as the destination chain and then any other EVM chain as the source. Okay, follow BITZ mining here. This is the flip side crypto dashboard we saw earlier. Okay, so it looks very straightforward. Just ensure you have a funded wallet. Okay, click on node secrets, copy your node private key. I think that the resulting bits will be deposited into your wallet, which will be viewable on backpack, as soon as it is mined. Okay, so let's see how it goes. In terms of mining, I would assume that this 8 CPU miner will beat the 4 CPU miner in terms of capability, so, but considering I'm experimenting for now, I will start with this or this. I'm not decided yet. I'll ask a few questions on their Discord first, then decide after that. And that's about it for this video. I've shown the token. It's listed on Eclipse via Orca. Not too much volume. In the last 24 hours, 42,000 worth of volume. You never know how it will fare. If it's so, and it's on a new chain, Eclipse. Eclipse will have a token soon, an airdrop that will spearhead the chain. This may gain relevance then. So you may want to experiment with it. Now on EasyNode, I will also be exploring other nodes. I like this one. For example, it carries the tag incentivized. It may be slightly late, but I'm thinking of contributing a node here. OG Labs is a very strong project. Drea just came about. If I see relevance to covering it, I will cover it. Bless, typically you mine this using your browser extension in Node may perform better. It doesn't carry the tag incentivize, but I may explore this as well. For now, I'm starting with this. To end this video, go to airdropc.com. It's also your avenue to reach me. Submit your email address here to subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on 100 solid airdrop opportunities, each with its own publication tutorial that I'll send out soonest when it's ready to email subscribers. Contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, and this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome, take action.